Hi everyone, it's Ryan from Biotech. How are we doing? So today I'm going to talk to you about recycling. Now, whenever you change your hardware, we recommend that you keep it for between 3 and 5 years, 5 years maximum. Okay, and whenever we do a hardware change for our clients, there are 3 main things that we do to go from this, the old equipment, to this, the new equipment. Okay, number 1, we always back up the data on the old equipment and then we transfer it across to the new equipment. Okay, so step 1, what we do, back up and transfer the data. Number 2, we would remove the old hard drive. As you can see from this one, we've already removed it there, and we can give it back to you as a client. We don't actually recommend that. What we would actually recommend is that we perform what is known as a military wipe. Now, military wipe is where we erase the hard drive back to its essentially not factory settings, its original settings, which is back to essentially binary, which is the 0s and 1s. Okay, and that's what we recommend. The data is completely irrecoverable from there. We could take a third step, which would then be to physically destroy the hard drive. So we punch a hole right through it, and then we can shred it, and there is absolutely no way you're getting anyone's getting that data back. Step 3, we would take the old equipment and we would break it down into its individual components. So essentially you would go from something like this to something like this. So as you can see, all of the individual components have been broken down. You can see the circuit boards in there, you can see the plastics, and like I said, all of these will be broken down into the individual components, individual materials, and it will be recycled. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.